Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Hope you all had a good vacation over Christmas and everybody stayed safe and is healthy. So in today's video, I'm going to do a swipe on black background. I'm going to use maybe 2 different cell activators. So stick around and see how I do it. Hi everyone. So I'm going to pour over this canvas. Just laying down some black. This is Artist Loft. It's just mixed with water. See how this tilts. Just debating what if I was going to use. I'm going to use my paints with water, but I didn't want them to be too thin. I have lots of different colors here. Let's see. I've got some phthalo green and Winsor Newton. This one is, it's been on here a while. I don't know what it is. I think it's a lime yellow green, I think Amsterdam. I have a copper Deco Art and oh, that's copper. This is that rose color, the rose copper, and this is purple Winsor Newton. Winsor and Newton, Winsor Pot Violet mixed with some Deco Art Violet. I mixed 2 together. Anyways, a lot, there's 3 metallics, so use whatever colors you like, but it's always nice, it's always good, it works better if you put some metallics mixed in. So I have this violet, ultramarine violet. One's mixed with my WD-40 and one's mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to try both of them. I know the Australian Floetrol will work. I think I'm just going to, I'm kind of worried here. I thought I was going to do I think my paints might be a little thin for this, but I'm going to give it a try anyways. I'm just going to do a line. Rose gold, that's what this is. Oh, shoot. I think I got too much. some purple. So I think I got all the colors down. I got my cards. So I'm gonna try the one with WD-40 first. I think I'm gonna put it on the card. Well, that seemed to work okay. It's very nice. I'll do the other side. The same. And now I'm going to do the Australian Floetrol. Just put it on your card. So this is Australian Floetrol 3-to-1 with, this is Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet. You get, I think, more definite cells with the, I just mixed them up. Oh, I can't do that. I think this one is the Australian. I didn't have my arm in the right position there. Wow, this is so pretty. I think I'll continue. I'll try a smaller one now. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, I meant to go out farther with that one. That's okay. I'm gonna bring this one. That was WD-40. I want to put one in between here. Should have come out more on this one. Let me see what I'm gonna do with this. I can probably get 2 out of there. Look at that color, isn't that pretty? So the base is a little thicker than the, I think I'm gonna come down here with another one. And one more down the middle there. Wow, that's pretty. I don't know if I can make a feather out of this, but I guess I'm gonna leave it. I was gonna tilt it a little bit. What do you think? Should I just leave it now? I think I should leave it. Oh, jeez, I'm putting my arm in my paints. There. I think I'm just going to leave it. I love it. Very, very pretty. There. Something different. Something different. Really metallic-y. I'll hold it up so you can see a close-up. I hope it dries good. So have a good day, everybody, and come back to my art room and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and support my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Hello, everyone. Here's my dried swipe that I did. It dried pretty nice, stayed the same, didn't move. The cells are there. They're very subtle, small, but they're very pretty. It's just very different. Those are cool. Anyway, there you go. Something just different. I thought it was very cool. Anyway, there you go. Come back to my art room. See you in the next video. And there's some playlists above if you want to watch more. Bye-bye.